this Saturday. Well, it's actually Thursday that I'm recording this video, but y'all are getting this video on Saturday, and I usually don't post on Saturday, so I'm letting y'all know that there's a car meet going on tonight, Saturday at 8 o'clock in Fayetteville, North Carolina. I'm gonna post the picture up on the screen. It will be at that address. Listen, so if you want to come out and kick it with some of us that you see on my videos and a lot of other people, SRT Saint will be hosting this meet, and he want to make it big. So I said, let me help him make it big and bring it to my family on YouTube, my subscribers. So if you're in the area, make sure y'all stop by. I will be there. Now, so far, this is what the weather is looking like for Saturday. But if that weather changed, then I don't know, because I don't like to, you know, get all out in the rain. But so far, we are in the clear for the rain, so I will be out there. If anybody want to link up beforehand, I will be in Fayetteville almost all day. So if you're around the surrounding area of Fayetteville and you want to collab and make a video beforehand, hit me up on Instagram, which is down below on the screen, slimepat_392, and just let me know, and I can try to get something together for us. So yeah, all of y'all that be inboxing me, well, DMing me on Instagram and in the comment section, hey, when y'all next meet, or where do y'all be popping out at? So make sure y'all be there at that location tonight. Y'all getting this video on Saturday, so that will be tonight at 8 o'clock. You know, you can get there earlier if you want, but I will be there. A lot of other people that be in my videos, they will be there. And like I said, if you want to collab and make any videos, just hit me up beforehand. You know, let me see. I don't think y'all gonna be able to hit me up beforehand if I'm airing this. But listen, if you're watching this video before 8 o'clock, way before 4 o'clock, or if you're watching this video when it first dropped and you want to collab and make a video, go ahead and hit me up on Instagram, slimepat_392, so we can go ahead and get this scheduled. So make sure y'all go ahead and like this video, drop a green emoji when the video is over with, come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. And also, why haven't y'all entered into the Slime Pack giveaway? Listen, it is a GoPro 9 Hero camera. The camera is worth $400. Listen, like I said, if you don't care about the camera and you win, just sell it and make you some money, or just give it to somebody that you know really want the camera or really want to start YouTube. Like I said, this is a great camera to start YouTube. If your excuse for starting YouTube is you don't have a camera, this right here is great. Like I said, I bought the camera for myself, but I didn't open it. I said I should do it for a giveaway, and maybe I'll buy me another one afterwards, because my camera right now, I have the G7X. I've been using this for about a year and a half. I done dropped it a couple of times. Like whenever you open it, y'all can see the lens don't open all the way. So sometimes I forget that I have to pop it open for it to be completely open. And also, like I said, I done dropped it, so the mic on this is kind of messed up. I prefer to use the GoPro 9, but I'm gonna do that as a giveaway and maybe get me something later on down the road. As y'all know, I'm recording right now on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. You gotta put that Pro Max on there. Anytime I do videos like this, I'm recording on the Pro Max. The iPhone is more than enough to start YouTube and to do YouTube. There are still a lot of big YouTubers using their iPhone, making thumbnails on their iPhone, editing on their iPhone, so there's really no excuse. But if you want something better, the camera records in 1080, 4K, 5K, take pictures up to 20 megapixels, y'all. Also, it has a front-facing screen and a back screen, and it is touch screen. So make sure y'all follow those 3 rules that are on the screen so you can get entered into the giveaway. Right now, y'all, my car is still dirty, so I think I'm about to head to either Walmart or Advanced Auto Parts and get me something to wash my car with, because I haven't washed my car in over a week. This is not usually me. Even on the inside, it is dirty and it bothers me, but I've been on 12 hours, so it's like as soon as I get out of work, I go edit. I lay down, as soon as I get up, I'll go record, then boom, I go right back into work. As y'all can see, I got on my work clothes right now, so if I have enough time, I'm gonna wash my car today. but I'm definitely going to get some stuff to wash my car with. But the weather forecast is showing rain for tomorrow. I hate washing my car then it rains, so my car is definitely going to be washed for Saturday. But like I said, if I have enough time today, then I'm gonna wash it before work. But I don't want to be sweaty before work. You know, I like to go into work fresh, clean, and smelling good. But yeah, if y'all ain't subscribed to my channel, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell so y'all can get notified every time I post, which is usually Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. I'm about to stop posting on Wednesday because the results that YouTube be giving me on Wednesdays, it is like, sometimes it make me feel like a waste of my time. So yeah, I might change my Wednesdays to I don't know what date. I'm gonna see how this video right here performs on a Saturday, so maybe it'll be a Saturday. But yeah, make sure y'all enter into the giveaway. Follow me on Instagram, slidepay_392. Also on TikTok, also on Facebook. I do post on those daily. Well, I post on Instagram daily, TikTok and Facebook weekly. So right now it is basically 5:30 and I don't have enough time to clean my car because I gotta be clocked into work by 6:30. But I'm here at Walmart to try to see if I can grab me some stuff just in case it rains tomorrow and the rain is gone by the afternoon. Then I'm gonna wash it tomorrow so it can be ready for Saturday. I mean, if you usually watch my videos, you already know what I use. Definitely chemical guys. I see that they don't have my spray that I like to use. It's a purple chemical guys spray bottle. It's like a daily, you know, spray on, wipe off, quick detailer spray. I don't see that. I need some more rags. These right here are good for drying off, but I got a wrap so my car dries off pretty quick. Get a pack of these. This right here, y'all, listen, I tried this. If you don't clean this stuff off in time, it doesn't turn out good. I need some quick detail spray. They usually have some McGuire's. That used to be my little backup go-to spray. Let me see. I think I've seen some right here. It used to be a white bottle. Let's see. Make sure this is liquid. So yeah, more than likely y'all gonna go with that for right now. So yeah, I do clean my own car, only hand wash. If I go through a drive-through, it'll be touchless. I would let somebody else clean it, but whenever I got that wrap on there, so I don't really trust nobody right now. So y'all, this right here was just a little quick vlog, something to post for Saturday to let y'all know about this meet. So make sure y'all be there. I will be there as long as the weather is great. Real quick, y'all, check the work fit. Check the work fit. The blue, the brown. I do not have on my work boots yet, but you know, the brown boots complements this right here. But I'm gonna change this shirt. I don't wear this shirt inside the work. I just wear this on outside of work, so you know, people know that I got on a uniform instead of just wondering why she got on them pants and all that other stuff, you know. But yeah, it's the work fit. So this how you make your entrance into work. train for free, you gotta be a subscriber. Number 2, you gotta go to slimepack.store and get anything off the website. Purchasing whatever on the website will automatically enter you into the database to win the camera. Also, enter in your email. I think it automatically requires you to enter your email, so you will receive your tracking order and everything for when you order the t-shirts. So that's how I will be contacting you by email. There will be a video saying that I have picked the winner. Number 3. What's number 3? Just comment on every video, watch every video, like every video. That's all I ask. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, go to slimepack.store and purchase anything off the site. I need y'all support just like y'all need my support. Watch, like, and comment on every video. That's all I ask.